You know what else your mom looks like?
Skank.
No.
Skanky ass whore. You can go jump off a damn cliff. That's what she looks like. Play some music.
Okay, wait up.
Play some music, bitch.
Say please.
Please.
Okay.
Please play some music, bitch, please.
You're weird.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't y'all know like this? Y'all didn't think that I could walk like this. Don't y'all ever go like this? Turn around and I make it jump like this. You wanna keep that boy that make it jump like this?
Why don't you guys buy your cheese already shredded?
Don't y'all ever go like
You guys should buy cheese that's already shredded.
No, that's for white people. No.
Want to get fat?
What?
So do you want to get fat with me?
No.
Let her know. Okay. You know, I just ate,
Hmm?
and I'm eating again. That is fucking awesome. That is awesome. I just ate and I'm gonna eat like 10 quesadillas now. Dude, I can eat a whole man. I can eat like 10 Rodolfos.
Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
Oh my god, nothing? Fuck. Fuck your nothing. Fuck Rodolfo too.
Oh my god.
Shit, what if I got cheese on here?
Then you're gonna clean it up?
Okay. Later.
I was like, never.
Your mom can do it. I'll just make your mom do it. I'm not cleaning this mess up!
She's coming.
What? Son of a bitch. Okay, where Michelle? In the kitchen, you stupid ass! Oh, wait for mom was here. Fuck that.